Greetings from Cairo. From here, I am Dr. Ahmed El-Bahtiti. I am the General Manager of Dream Group. It's a pleasure for us, Dream Group Company, to announce that we start today our cooperation with one of the most successful companies, Sound Machinery from China. Sound Machinery from China was founded by the year 1955. After succeeding to sell and introduce a lot of machineries and solutions from sound machinery all over the world, we decided, besides sound, to cooperate and bring all the innovative solutions from sound China to our market in Egypt. And we are sure that together both companies will be able to add a significant value and introduce a lot of solutions for producing the injection mold machineries in the Egyptian market. It's a pleasure for Dream Group today to announce the Hongyang Mold Testing Center. This testing center is innovative solution for testing the molds introduced by Sound Machinery Group. We are sure, inshallah, that Dream Group, beside Sound Machinery Group, will be able to add the engineering solutions and to introduce the best solutions for all the Egyptian market customers. Dream Group is the official distributor and the engineering center of sound machinery in the Egyptian market, and we are happy today to announce our cooperation, and inshallah we are sure that we will achieve our shared success with sound to enhance and add the progress in the plastic injection market. Thank you so much, and I hope to meet you soon, inshallah. Dream Group, living the dream.